Yeah, hello, music customers. Yeah, Jumo Kotobabi Accra. Baby, I'll be all forever, Juma Palma. Oshe Jumana Fe. So, this is a marble stone for your house decoration. They are looking so nice and beautiful. You see, we are trying to do a very nice design for this customer. You see, a very nice design for this customer. Whatever it is, give us a call. So how this contract is for this place, all over, and the boss inside. You see, the bosses are one, two, three, yeah, and the fourth one, yeah, and the fourth one. You see, so yeah, so whatever it is, just give us a call. Our service is available across the country. You always take an time and do a very beautiful design to all my customers. Yeah, as you can see. Isaac Sisimudi. Isaac. Isaac was Sisimudi, you know, like own parents. Eh? Oh, nti yɛsɛ no dwuma pa na ɛyɛ. Baabi a ɔbea to san frɛ bɛbɛ dwuma pa ma wo. Fɛfɛɛfɛ. Ɔte aseɛ. Bye bye. Bye bye.